There are many hairstyles to choose in 2025, but which one should you go for? So I did some research, and here are a few hairstyles you can try out. Is an easy, relaxed hairstyle that looks natural. First, you'll need to grow your hair to a medium length. Once it's long enough, just brush it back and to the side, so it looks like it's flowing away from your face. It's simple and gives a cool, effortless look. Next, we have messy taper. Think grown-out hair but with a taper. This requires a bit more upkeep because of a taper, buzz cut. A minimal buzz cut enhanced with a shaved line or pattern. A bold, low-maintenance choice that adds a unique flair. Textured crop, short sides with slightly longer textured hair on top. Low maintenance yet stylish, this look is perfect for adding natural texture and volume. Use a matte clay or pomade for a natural finish. And in last mullet, the mullet is a hairstyle in which the hair is cut shorter at the front, top and sides but is longer at the back. And that's all. If you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button.